Hi, today I'm going to show you how an app called Advanced System Care Free 17 works. If you want your PC to be in tip-top condition, you need to do some maintenance. And what better tool for such purposes than the new and revised Advanced System Care Free 17, which promises an even more customized collection of tools to improve your PC's health. The app still features the trusted main categories that contain all the subsequent tools, but now in a switchable side panel, which makes accessing them a fairly simple process. Having all the features neatly categorized definitely helps you quickly identify the ones you need. Whether you want to perform a simple cleanup, improve your PC's performance, or simply update your other software, it's all there, just a click away. Right off the bat, you can see that this latest iteration offers a slightly different scanning module. More precisely, two modes, one based on artificial intelligence, for a global process, and the second manual, which allows you to select only the target areas you need. Apart from the accurate progress of the scanning process, the app will also provide you with a detailed report on all the results. This is also well classified, meaning you have a better understanding of all the problems identified. You will also be able to easily select only the elements you want to address, and this also contributes to the customization process. One of the strong points of Advanced System Care Free 17 is the Options module, which contains a large amount of settings. This not only simplifies the entire installation process, but also helps keep things less messy. As I expected, the latest version of Advanced System Care Free never fails to meet my expectations, both in terms of ease of handling and richness of features. Try this solid PC maintenance app and you won't be disappointed. See you next video, and now some music.